picking my up my bed.
Yep, I can see that. What are you doing now?
Trying to find my dad.
Your doll?
Hmm?
My guess is it's on your bed.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need to find my new doll. Hey, Mama, it's big. It's a big cat.
That's a big hat?
It's yours.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm a fireman now? Is that yours?
Yes, sir.
Chloe? Chloe. Can you please do me a big favor? That's a start. Can you please go turn off your light?
What, Mommy?
Yep. Chloe. Chloe, can you please go turn off your light?
Oops, sorry. I'll try. Did.
Okay, thank you. Chloe, where's your bed?
Right there.
Can you get in it?
I'm gonna get this right on it, and I'm gonna find my dad.
Okay.